office thing, in my social life or in my family life.
आप अपने आप को देखिए कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं, आप क्या बोल रहे हैं.
Never put down others to build your career or grow into life. Just build your own path.
First thing is be positive. Well, you should be very open to options, learning, observe a lot.
So if we just change, do a little tweak, okay, and change the context totally or the content, okay, reframe it, like everything changes.
Get out of your comfort zone first. That is the most important thing.
In a session like this, very frankly, you will find many people yawning. But here I didn't come across any. So it just goes to show the ability of Mrs. Arora.
I'm very much impressed with the program organized by Initiative, and it is very impressive. And one thing I can tell you, she must be giving examples, maybe about 50 or 100 examples, but even one example you can take in your life will be changed.
Madam, you have a lot of wonderful experience. ठीक है ना? Really, I am appreciating by core of heart,
Thank
or
you
I'm
so
impressed to see your expressions and everything.
Thank you so
You
much.
have given beautiful lecture in all the aspects.
Thank- By blaming the outside world and external factors and environment, you are just shrugging the responsibility off your shoulders. It's not my responsibility to take care of myself. It's the responsibility of others. No, that does not work. You want to be dangled like a puppet by people. That means you want to give the reins of your life to other people. They are going to control your life. So now you yourself are wanting to give away your control, whereas what you are suffering from is actually the feeling of not being in control.